Which POS system saves the energy? Firstly, product needs to be highly integrated. It is not necessary for each device, like the printer, scanner, monitor, and the POS machine to be used separately, which will result in energy loss. Secondly, the screen size should not be too large. In a POS machine, you could try screens with relatively small size that do not affect your item checking and using. Thirdly, when choosing a POS machine, you could choose a handheld or desktop type POS machine according to your own needs or using scenarios. OCOM is qualified by the Fortune Global 500 companies, and we stick to be a reliable one-stop supplier for point-of-sales products. And so far, our POS-M1162 machine has been the most popular and hot-selling platform 11.6-inch POS machine in the market. It can be installed with Windows or Android operating systems, and its highly integrations makes many functions realized just by one POS. Also, this small-sized POS machine can not only help you save much space on your counter, but also can help you save much cost and freight. We are having a sugar promotion in Sugar Peak month September now, and many products are enjoying great discount in this month. So if you have any demand for our point of sales products, please just let me know. Thank you.